Hello vlog. So today I wanted to share what I keep in my bag because I'm really trying to perfect all the essentials that I need to bring on a daily basis, like everyday things. Because I'm the type of girl that likes to be prepared as much as possible and have that item that may be needed. So this is a little Gucci bag that I got from my mom that she let me use or have for our Europe trip. I only brought one bag, so I was able to fit everything just in here for every time we would go outside. I only had this bag, but we did go during December, so we were able to layer. So I usually had a jacket with pockets, so I had a little extra room. It's mostly the things that I usually always have. Okay. So I'm sitting at the edge of my bed because I feel like this is the most comfortable, and if anyone's like me, I'm still wearing my outside clothes, so I don't go on my bed until I'm in my fresh inside clothes. So back to what's in my little bag. So basically this is a good example since I did bring this when we went to Paris and we went to Sweden and Copenhagen. This is all I brought with me. So basically, I survived and we would be out like almost all day. A pretty small bag, so this is my phone. I have the iPhone Pro Max, I think 14 Pro Max. So that's the size of it. So typically I would never carry my phone in this bag since I would have pockets, so I would usually have it in my hand or have it in my pocket. And then secondly, I always need an extra charger, especially when traveling or just on a daily basis, because I always run out of battery so fast. So let's see what's in my bag. So I did organize this recently, but I don't remember exactly, so we'll be seeing what's inside. So I have some tissues. It's always good to have tissues. These are from Japan and they're super soft, and I like it because it's just a thin like packaging. I have some mints, and again, super flat, like slim packaging, like that. I have a little perfume, Prada Candy perfume, if it's going to focus, but it's the EOS medicated lip ointment, the fixer. So it's the red one, and I think there's also a blue one, but this is the best like moisturizing lip balm, and I have like so many of the Winky Lux like color changing little lip balm. So depending where I'm going, sometimes it's nice to have like a little color to your lips. I also have a hand sanitizer. This is my all-time favorite from Bath & Body Works. So I have this little pouch, and this also, it fits inside this bag. So I found these from Daiso like recently. I thought, oh, it's just the perfect bag, because I used to have ones, but it didn't have this like front zipper, and it's perfect for my little like essentials pouch for smaller bags. Gosh, this like camera angle, I don't know, but I have to really make my vlogs very realistic, otherwise I'm just never gonna be making videos if I just strive for perfection all the time. And I really want to start documenting my life just for funsies. So anyways, this little pouch from Daiso is amazing. So bring with me, so I have, it's a little flushable wet wipe, which can always come in handy. I hate using public restrooms, but you know, when you really have to. And then I have a wet ones wipe. So this is perfect for little bags like this because it's just like a single use. And I love having lens wipes. So these are so perfect for cleaning your glasses. So it's nice to have nice and clean lenses. I also have an emergency stain rescue. Okay, and then I also have an Advil little cold and flu, because maybe you just never know when it's gonna be needed. emergency situations. And then I also have a little mini makeup wipe, because you never know when you have to like touch up your makeup or something. I also have these little Q-tips. I think these are from a hotel. And they're black, so aesthetic. And they're individually wrapped, so very clean. And then next we have some Band-Aids. I always have Band-Aids with me, and these ones already have an antibiotic in it, so it's perfect for little bags like this. Yay. So I have several of those in here, because you just never know. In here. And then of course you always need a nail cutter, so these are perfect. And then obviously you always need an emergency hair tie and hair clip. So I love being that one, so like if someone needs a hair tie, I have a hair tie. So super handy. And I have a little clip too, because you never know when sometimes you need a clip also. I also have 2 bobby pins that are also in here. 2 bobby pins. And I have a sore throat drop. These are super good. They're the Mucinex. And then, so next we have the little tiny pocket that's in here. And we have little small Band-Aids. So I think these are good for like, it could be like if you have like a tiny blister, or like, ooh, like a pit bull or something I've had to use before. Like you just want to cover it up. So that's good to have, and it's like a tiny one. And then also, I love having these too. Plackers are such an essential item. So I always have to have plackers with me. So the parents always end up needing one, or someone that you're with will need one, and you're prepared. Or like when you have like something stuck in your teeth, it's like the most annoying feeling. And then also I have like a little, I have a safety pin, so I have like several sizes of safety pins. And I also have emergency like earring backings. So they're the silicone ones that are like super clear, and I like wearing those in my earrings because they're just way more comfortable, because I always sleep in my earrings. So yeah, that's everything that's in this little pouch. So now I have to put everything back. So next up we have emergency medicine. So I got this little plastic from Japan, and it's actually from like it's like a fishing like superstore. My dad loves fishing, so we were in there for like a while, and I was like looking around, and they had the best little plastic containers, and they're meant for like bait and like fishing tackle, I guess. And this is like the perfect size because it's nice and slim. Like look at that. I have a lot of like medicine. So this has little they're compartments, and then I have like pain medicine. I have like Imodium, Benadryl allergy medicine, and then I have a like Midol, and I think one that's for like nausea, I think. So, and for a sinus congestion, because I always end up needing something, especially for my dad, that I'm always like with most of the time. And or like if you're with someone that you never know when, some medicine will come in handy. Okay, and then next, also because of my dad, and it's like in my whole family, I think acid reflux runs in the family. So I have a little pouch with some Tums. These are our favorite because they're like literally like candy. They taste a lot better than like the little chalky ones of like Tums candy. Okay, so next we have a little tiny baby lotion, and then next we have the little hydrating mist that also came in that little Hawaiian Airlines pack. So it's for like refreshing your face, which always comes in handy, and it's just so small, so it's perfect. You never know when you need something to just wake you up. And then next we have, so this is another like essential thing that I always like repurchase. So it's a cooling patch, and it's like meant for kids, but it's perfect for reducing fever, of toothache, headache, sunburn, tiredness, sleep in days that keeps you refreshed, protect people from heat stroke in the summer. So it's a little gel like cooling thing. It kind of has like a mint kind of scent, so it really helps to like relieve you. We have in here, we have some bags. These are like little waist bags. I think they're meant for like babies, but we use them for doggy bags. Also, I like having them for like if you need to like throw trash out. So we learned that because in Japan, since they don't have a lot of trash cans out, we won't be stuck like carrying like all our like waste like used cups and things for a long time. Like we'll have a little bag to like keep them in. So I like keeping them still in my bag because you never know when they'll come in handy too. I have is an air tag in here because you never know when you want to you have to track something. I have so many stories of when these became so handy and gave you an idea of what to keep in your bag, because I really pride myself in having a good, well-stocked bag as much as possible. And can't have everything, but these, I think most of these things come in really handy. And look, I still have a euro in my bag, little way at the bottom. And I think in this very front pocket, I have a printed boarding pass. So that's fun. Okay. I just got a new battery in and I've fully realized that I think I am a long form type of girl because I talk way too much. And I don't know if I'm gonna want to edit out everything of this. So hopefully someone out there appreciates this content and likes what I have to say. Because, and I give it up to all the vloggers out there that are able to really be concise. So anyways, that was everything that's in my little purse. Just knowing that anything that I should need or anyone that I'm with may need, I have at least that stuff. And this is stuff that I really like have used in the past, so I know that they'll be useful. So let's see how far I get into vlogging and see how many videos I'm able to film, because this is the kind of content that I really love watching. It's kind of having the like videos that you can just play in the background that may be somewhat useful to people, which is what I love doing and why I love YouTube. So yay, how everything really fits inside this bag. If I had to choose just one thing to bring, I would literally just need hand sanitizer. I would choose hand sanitizer and my phone. That's pretty much all I would need on the go. Oh, and you're probably wondering, what about my wallet? And anyways, that's everything that's in the bag. And what about my wallet? So my wallet is actually just on my phone. So I'm that minimal, and all I really need, because of Apple Pay, all I really need is an ID, which I have an ID in here, and I have a debit card. Pretty much it. That's all I really need to carry with me. Sometimes I will have cash, but I'll just keep it in my pocket, or I have like a little thin small wallet that I'll have when traveling, and of course a charger. So that's pretty much all I'll need. So yay, thank you so much for watching. I think this is like maybe one of the longest what's in my bag videos, but I appreciate anyone watching, and bye.